Hi guys, and welcome back to another recipe on Ron's Keto Cafe. Today we're making some of these fluffy coconut flour cottage cheese pancakes. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. Cottage cheese pancakes. Now I hadn't made this in a while, and I plan on making it again very, very soon. And then I ended up topping it off with some fresh berries. My choice was blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and a little bit of sugar-free Vermont maple syrup. Not the best choice to have, but it was the only one I had on hand. And yeah, so why don't we just go right into the recipe and enough jibber jabber. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, for this, the ingredients is you'll need a fourth of a cup of coconut flour, a fourth of a cup of full fat cottage cheese, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of sugar free maple syrup of your choice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm using 1/8 of a teaspoon of Redman's real salt. And then we're going to combine everything together in a little small Ninja bullet that I have and get the pancake roll going. And from this point on, we'll just have the video going. You can pretty much figure it out. We will come back at the end and we'll talk about it. And hope you have an amazing day. Okay, so we are back. So our pancakes are done. Now these are a few pancakes I put on the paper plate because I wanted to get a good thumbnail. And the other ones I put them on a separate plate because they were a little bit darker than these. But overall they were really, really good and tasty, doing the coconut flour and along with the cottage cheese. So I'll definitely be making these again. Had a lot of weight gain this past few months there, and a lot of things went on for the reason why, and not making no excuses, but it is what it is. It's time to get back on the track, and hopefully all these videos I've been posting and motivational videos and the new Chapel playlist I have going on will encourage you to get out there and get healthy, and no matter what you're going through, things happen, and you just deal with it as you can get to it and take one day at a time, and that's all we can really do, and hope that tomorrow is better than today and vice versa. Now I ended up using some sugar-free maple syrup from Vermont brand. That's all I had on hand, but I was trying to get some more of that chalk zero that I like there, but they were out of stock of it for a little while, so hopefully it'll come back soon. But anyways, there you have our final product, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.